Hello! Today's topic, the most unusual difference between men and women. Here we go! I'm so excited for this topic. So we're going to talk about compliments, and this is so vastly different between men and women. So if I went on a date with Kelly, the compliments I would give her when she's getting ready and puts on that sexy outfit, and I'm like, whoa. I'd go up to her and be like, whoa, Kelly, you look amazing. Like, you look so sexy. And, maybe give her a smooch or whatever I got to do. And I love your hair today, or whatever I got to say, compliments. And there you have it. That's the compliment a man gives to a woman, and she's going to go, oh, thanks, Mike. You're so great. And that was beautiful. Now, on the flip side, let's say Kelly wants to go, Mike, your hair looks so sensational today. What a great haircut. Yeah, it does look pretty good. In reality, men are not going to be as excited by that compliment. Like, all right, it looks good, but like, I don't care. I didn't do any of that. Like, whatever, my hair looks good, fine. But let's talk about the compliments that men are going to resonate with and how you can be a rock star woman and know something that the rest of the population does not know. So here's how you compliment a man. You go to the restaurant. Maybe you asked him like, hey, can we go to Italian? And he picks out the best Italian restaurant. And then you're there. And you say to him, Mike, this is the best fettuccine Alfredo I've ever had in my life. And I'm going to go, yeah, I did a good job picking this restaurant. I'm such a rock star. And it will be like I literally built the Italian restaurant. I went back there and I cooked the fettuccine. I will take credit. So what you want to do is, so men are going to compliment like your appearance or things about you. But women, you need to compliment things about the activity that you're doing. The activity or where you are or how you're feeling. Because we will take credit for how you're feeling or what we're doing. So if you say, for example, about how you're feeling, I am having the best date of my life. I'm having so much fun. Like, this is the best conversation ever. And I'll light up like a Christmas tree and I'll be like, yeah, I did this. I'm a good boyfriend. And these are the compliments that men love. And it's so confusing because it's like, dude, Mike, you didn't cook the fettuccine. And, you didn't like build this park that we're walking through. So why are you taking credit? Well, listen, I don't think I can explain it. I don't understand it quite myself. But for some reason, whenever I get a compliment about like, what a great restaurant, or I'm having so much fun, and I take credit. And this is not just a Mike thing. This is a man thing. We do this across the board. So ladies, I would suggest when you're out with your guy or on a date, compliment. If you've asked him to pick the spot, compliment the spot if you mean it, if it's authentic and you like the place. And give him that feedback, give him that compliment, and give him that experience so he can feel good about himself. And watch your man light up. And this is one, nice step towards being that irresistible woman that every man is so freaking ecstatic to be with. Awesome. All right, ladies, I hope that was helpful. Get down there, hit like for me, and hit subscribe, and do me a favor, share this puppy. And guys, we will see you next time. Bye.